It was thrilling and terrifying and scary. And, all we did was hold our bodies upright, and we walked across the floor with a little bit of presence. And then we walked around the pole, and it was like, okay, well, this is what it feels like in your hand. And then we're going to go the other direction. And now we're going to add a little bit of tension and body weight. And it felt so foreign, but it was so exciting. So it's just like anytime you try something new, when you're awkward and you're a newbie and you don't know what you're doing, you feel silly and embarrassed, and you're looking at other people and you're like, wow, they're amazing. Oh, I feel like a fish out of water. It feels so strange, but it gets better. And then all of a sudden you find that you're addicted to it.